G5, D5. You try to leave, your traces have been erased. Now, no need to say sorry, everything has changed. Your shadow in my eyes, now only shards of wounds remain. You hurt me, but I don't want to give up. I erase your traces from the path we used to go. I throw away your shadow so that it doesn't disturb my new dream. Your steps lost their way, and I chose to be silent. But now it's time, I'm the one who determines the direction. No need to say sorry, everything has changed. Your shadow in my eyes, now only shards of wounds remain. You hurt me, but I don't want to give up. I erase your traces from the path we used to go. I throw away your shadow so that it doesn't disturb my new dream. Your steps lost their way, and I chose to be silent. But now it's time, I'm the one who determines the direction. Traces, I won't look back anymore. Even though the wound turns blue, better than continuing to be deceived. All traces have disappeared.
Through the night, empty streets beneath the dying light. Your shadow fades, but it still haunts me. Every silence screams what we used to be. I trace your name in the ashen flame, still feel the echo, still wear the blame. You said forever, I believe the lie. Now I'm just learning how to say goodbye. This is the last goodbye, the final fall from shattered dreams and broken walls. You were my fire, now you're my pain, a storm that burns but leaves no rain. Photographs turn to dust in my hands, moments lost like castles in the sand. I hear your voice in a static song, but the melody says you're gone too long. I called your name in the pouring sky, but angels weep and don't reply. You said forever, I wore the lie. Now I'm just choking on this last goodbye. This is the last goodbye, a quiet scream where love once lived, now it's just a dream. You were the light I couldn't hold, now all that's left is ashes cold. Like a cry into the void, so tear me down, let me fall apart. There's no healing in a hollow heart. But if this grief can set me free, then maybe goodbye is what I need. This is the last goodbye, a soul set loose, cut from the chain, no more excuse. You were my dawn, now you're my dust. Love turned to rust, dust into dust. Goodbye. This is the last goodbye.
I sit beneath the storm I built, wounds unspoken, never healed. The mirror shows a hollow face, a quiet scream I can't erase. No one hears, no one sees this war that rages silently. A fading voice, an endless night, losing strength to even fight. I'm crying in silence, breaking alone, drowning in shadows I've never shown. You see a smile, but never pain, a soul that bleeds behind the rain. I wear this mask so well, so tight, but underneath I lose the light. My hands are cold, my heart is numb, still waiting for someone to come. No one stays, they always leave. They never look past what they believe. I hold the weight, I bear the lie, all while whispering goodbye. I'm crying in silence, breaking alone, drowning in shadows I've never shown. You see a smile, but never pain, a soul that bleeds behind the rain. Don't you hear me through the noise? Can't you feel the void in my voice? I'm not okay, I'm not alright, I'm just fading through the night. I'm crying in silence, burned and betrayed, locked in a cage that I'm self-made. You see a spark, but I see the end, crying in silence with no one to mend.